A federal judge in Amarillo could rule at any time over the nation's use of an abortion-inducing drug. He heard arguments today.
A Christian group is seeking to overturn the FDA's more than 2 decades old approval of that pill.
If the judge sides in their favor, the pill would become banned in all states, including those where abortion is legal.
Janelle Bluda joins us now with more on what happened at today's hearing. Janelle.
Well, guys, the federal courthouse was packed in Amarillo for this hearing that could have nationwide impacts. Inside the courtroom, lawyers for the group Alliance Defending Freedom asked the judge to issue an immediate order that would revoke or suspend the drug's approval. During a 90-minute presentation to the court, lawyers for the Alliance told the judge that removing mifepristone from the market would, quote, restore proper policing power to the states. Mifepristone, when combined with a second pill, has become the most common method of abortion in the U.S. and has been increasingly prescribed since Roe was overturned. Lawyers for the FDA said the effectiveness and safety of the drug have been proven time and time again, citing its success rate at over 97% and hospitalizations at less than 1%. The judge gave each side 2 hours to make their arguments with time for rebuttal. In this high-stakes case, mifepristone's manufacturer is joining the FDA and arguing to keep the pill available. Meanwhile, outside the courthouse, protesters gathered, some of them dressed in costume, calling the hearing a kangaroo court.
The access to medication abortion is one of the last options that we have, and Judge Kacsmaryk has no right to overturn that. This medication has been approved by the FDA for over 20 years. Safer than Viagra, safer than Tylenol. This is health care, and they have no right to decide that we don't get that choice.
If mifepristone is sidelined, doctors that prescribe it say they would switch to only using misoprostol, the other drug used in the 2-drug combination. That single drug approach has a slightly lower rate of effectiveness in ending pregnancies, but is widely used in countries where mifepristone is illegal or unavailable. A ruling could come at any time, but a decision against the drug would be swiftly appealed by the Department of Justice attorneys representing the FDA, who would also likely seek an emergency stay to stop it from taking effect while the case proceeds.